I'm raw. I'm like, yay. And the I love it in the front seats in any case, but I'm raw for the car. Oh yeah, some people are like, yeah, no, you lied. You drive with one hand. You can drive. Guys, cherry's just that easy. Like, even if you can't drive, it's like, it's so comfortable. It's like you're driving a Tesla. You don't need to be driving. Well, you need to be driving, but like, there's very little work required to do. Very, very little. Little. Sneakerhead, a person who collects into. Ish. You actually love malls. I love the mall, especially if I'm gonna spend money that's not mine. I love it. Yeah. I'm doing it. Ooh, hi there.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even see you.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Let me see outfit of it. You will see it. I thought you can't. I lied. I just like I like telling lies that that'll make people get angry and hyped up. Like like you look good, yes. So you lied. No, I didn't lie. I'm sorry, I didn't lie. Look, I was supposed to do it. I had a great idea. I was like, hey, it's Monday, I'm going live. And then I got occupied. You know, I got occupied and I was like, I don't want to take chances anymore. You'll find people around and not supposed to be around the live. I was like, nah, let me stop. But I apologize. I will do a nighttime live. Yeah. I didn't say what I was occupied with. Don't assume now. Don't assume though. But yeah. Thank God you occupied. She didn't want to hear me singing. I can't. That's why I don't come live, because then you hear people say things like this. Yeah, you hear them say weird. And now I'm gonna cry. I'd rather leave. You see why I don't go live? She said, thank God I was occupied. No, I can't deal. I'm out, guys. I'm going. Bye. Bye. Yeah. I'm chilling in the back of Hosie's car. Thank you. Please make lives very missed you. You okay? Oh, sorry.